So, unplanned video number 2 this holiday season, but we had the most incredible snowfall last night, and it was too pretty not to share with you. And we may even get some more snow, but in the meantime, we are out enjoying it, taking pictures and enjoying what looks like something right out of a Hallmark movie. Stay tuned. So what you don't know is that our Izzy is a little bit of a talented photographer. So when we started out with this today, it was so that we could take pictures, so she could print pictures, and we would have some gorgeous new artwork for our home. She also participates in a couple of youth expos every year to sell her photography. Oh yeah, and we got so much snow that this was actually a snow day, meaning school was canceled. No, she wasn't just missing school. Our lake still hasn't frozen over. It hasn't quite been cold enough, but we knew it would be gorgeous down by the bay. We stopped by this little waterfront community, and you're not going to believe what we found. Buffalo plaid terracotta pots. I'm trying to tell you in every way, yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I want to have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. I love old weathered barns, especially in the snow, and this is one of my favorite houses in the area. I knew it would look so pretty with the fresh snow. possibly have spent the morning out in the snow without Charlie. Because I don't know about your dogs, but ours love the snow.
Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish, and as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow still I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show.
Thanks for joining us on our winter tour. Time to go home and do some work. Hope you enjoyed it today. If you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Really helps out our channel, and we'll see you next time.